Hi guys, welcome back to another Masters of the Universe deboxing. So today we're going to have a look at Stridor from Masters of the Universe from Super 7. So this is the box he came in. He just arrived today without any shipping notice, but let's go ahead and take him out of the box. So he comes in the same larger box that we're used to for Masters of the Universe creatures. I think Swiftwind and Bow's Horse Arrow came in this box. So that's the front, side, and the back shows off the classics from Super 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4 have already been released, and 1, 2, 3, 4 come out within the next few weeks. So let's go ahead and get him out of the box. Okay, so here he is on the card. He's held in just with paper ties, so they seem to be pretty easy to cut. So we should be able to free him up pretty quick. Around his tail. Some plastic. He's got one around his neck. And a rubber band around his foot. Okay, and he comes with a second mask. Cut that free. Okay, so here he is out of the box. He has these protector things, whoops, on him. They just come off. Rubber bands. And here he is. If you have Night Stalker, you should know what to expect. He has really, really strong joints. They're really stiff, which is great. His tail moves, his gun rotates, he's got a sticker there, he has an articulated neck with the ball joints, and yes, his guns move up and down. So he comes with, two different masks. This one is a copy of Night Stalker's, and this one is more like his vintage mask. So we put that on him, mine's a little bit bent out of shape from being in the box, or this one. So there you have it. So, as you know, everyone likes to put Fisto with Stridor. They just stand, they don't actually have a seat in them. They're hollow, and the figures just stand in there. So there he is with Fisto, looking very evil. If we put the other one back on him. And that looks more like the vintage version. And speaking of the vintage version, here it is for comparison. So you can see there's quite a difference in the colors. This one's more of a brown, like a burnt orange. This one's a more of a brighter yellowy orange. But otherwise, they're actually very similar. The stickers are actually the same. That's the molded sticker from the back. So there you go. We can also put him next to Night Stalker. Again, they're exactly the same, except they have different stickers. This is a new sticker. This is a recreation of the vintage sticker. But otherwise, as far as I can see, they are identical. And there's vintage Night Stalker. And vintage Stridor. So there you go, guys. That is the Masters of the Universe Classics Stridor. Stick around and I will post some photos. Thanks, guys.